We'll guide you through how to make reflection effect in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Alight Motion application on your device. Allow the app to load completely before continuing. Once the home screen appears, press Create New Project and choose the project settings that fit your footage. After selecting the settings, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside the project, tap the plus button near the bottom of the screen and import the footage that you want to use. Once the footage has been added, tap the plus button again and select Rectangle to add a rectangle shape layer to the project. After creating the rectangle, adjust its scale and size until it covers approximately the lower half of the screen. Once the rectangle is positioned correctly, select the rectangle layer and open the Effect browser. In the Effect browser, search for the turbulence effect and apply it to the rectangle layer. Open the effect settings and adjust the scale and stretch values according to your preference. Continue adjusting the values until you achieve a look that matches your project. Next, return to the Effect browser and search for Displacement Map. Apply this effect to the same rectangle layer. Open the Displacement Map settings and adjust the offset value. After that, open the Effect browser once again and search for Directional Blur. Apply the effect to the rectangle layer and adjust the strength value based on how soft or smooth you want the reflection to appear. Once the effects have been configured, duplicate both the rectangle layer and the original footage layer. Select the duplicated rectangle layer and remove all effects from it. Then select the duplicated footage layer, open Move and Transform, and rotate the footage 180 degrees so it appears upside down. Finally, select the duplicated rectangle and the rotated footage layer and create a mask group using those layers. You have now successfully created a reflection effect in Alight Motion.